In this video, we're going to talk about how to check latency in Wireshark. So as you can see, I have in here this usual article and it's asking for how to track down the device causing latency. So for this case, this utilizes us to check the latency right here. So in here we have the internet service bandwidth, which is actually quite good. Remote is actually quite good as well. So for this case, latency and bandwidth are two different factors affecting network connection. So for this case, what you can do is go to your client's PC, then create the two one-liner bashes with ping commands, usually listed right here. Stop or start capturing both on the client and server. Run the first batch and at the same time execute the app you're not happy about. Wait for after display result and at the same time it's display is run the second batch. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.